non so.
Come ti chiami?
Anne.
Anne. Italiano? Tu italiano?
No.
Where are you from?
We're from Ireland.
Ireland. I am Qasim Ali from Pakistan.
Ah, okay.
I am a mariner or captain for this vessel.
We see.
Yes.
Well, Pakistan is in the news now. doing
Yes.
A very,
A very things.
very important job.
Yeah, they are doing actually this American and this Iran. They are coordination with them to better to release their problems, release their threat.
Yeah, but
If they can, I know in the world only the Pakistan is a country which one is removing that stress from the peoples, from the countries. Only the American are agree to come in Pakistan. Iran are agree to come in Pakistan. So what do you think about Pakistan?
I think Pakistan is very good.
Yeah. And did you
Very
visit Pakistan?
No, we have come from Ireland, England, as far as Italy. That's
Yes.
all. Maybe Northern Africa.
No problem. If whenever you want to come to Pakistan, most welcome.
Thank you
We have
very much.
there our house, everything, car, hoteling system, each and everything.
Wonderful.
Okay, so
No, we're so happy that you're trying to help
Yeah.
that stupid man Trump.
yes,
Stupid
Yeah.
criminal, not stupid.
Yeah.
Criminal.
yes.
So let's. I'm glad we've met you. Let's hope this brings us.
Yeah,
good luck.
hope that brings for
Yeah.
this. Actually, we believe Pakistani people, all they believe, all around the world's people, they are not a different type of people. They people together, we have a one heart. All human have a one heart, the all people together. Because you have your own rights, I have my own rights, he have his own rights, everybody have their own rights.
And religion.
Yes. So that means we can share our things to the people. We can help to the people. And we can survive with people which one cannot have a food, cannot do something, cannot do something, that is very...
In fact, there's a very wise American man
Yes.
called Jeffrey Sachs
Yeah.
who says that if we didn't have war, there would be plenty for everybody.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Yes. So I hope I will be have little... Ciao. Hi. Hello from Ireland. And thank you. Nice meeting you. You are a husband and wife?
Yeah.
Good to see you.
We're very
And what about your children? Have or not?
Yeah, we've got two daughters.
Good.
One is in Milan and one in Trieste.
Good.
With Italian.
So I think you also have your nephew, niece, and no?
No. I think the one daughter married last year. Our children are very young, really, for our ages. But she would like to have.
How old are you?
family. I'm 72
70?
and he's 83.
Oof, me 42. You know how many I have children?
No.
6 and 7.
No.
Really?
Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much. I like lot of children. So I
know,
teach
but
them.
Europe is a dying.
Yeah, actually I
religion.
teach them to being a humility
Yes.
for with people, and with this thing they are also helping to the people.
Fantastic.
They are also helping, because I say when my children will be grow up,
Yes.
they will be a huge award taking from the Europe.
Yeah.
I also I got a nationality in European.
Ah,
Yeah, I got the documents from last month.
no.
5 years.
Fantastic.
I have my own business. That name is the Grace Heaven. Is new business I is starting. One business is Maritime International Coordination around the world. So this is for this is yachts and ships. We are supplier. We are buyer, seller, purchaser, supplier, the people, crew on board, everything around the world, provision, everything we are doing. You know, in my age, these things who can doing this God gifting. So he gift me for lot of things. That's why I want to be give to the people. And
How
now I need your prayers. I will start for hospital free education system, free hospital, and free orphan houses, free foods, each and everything will be free. That is, I believe the God will help me. Already he is helping me. He give me lot of money. He give me a lot of things. So I am getting about more than $16,000 a month on board 15 to 16,000. This is huge money. You know,
Huge
even
money.
$1 I giving. Sorry, even $1 I giving to the people. I believe the God and giving us this $700 to back. Already He give me a lot of things.
Well, you are fantastic.
Yeah, is a believer is a most important.
Yes.
Because if you are a not believer, so that is the different type of way. You know, one we have in our religion, there is a one things we call this in our language we call molvi.
Yes.
That means this imam. Imam means this a head of mosque.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so he was one time he doing a speech.
Yes.
He doing a speech. If you are a believer,
Yes.
he telling to people, if you are a believer, you can go to the water.
Yes.
If you
yes,
believe,
yes.
if you believe the God.
Yeah.
So one day they both are going together. They are going together. They stop up to water. So which one are a listener? So he directly got across the water.
Yes.
Then he tell him how you crossed it. He said that day you was a speech. If you are a believer, you can cross. You was a speaker.
Yeah.
So he said, oh yes, I am a speaker. If you have a belief, so I also have a belief. Believe me, he dropped to the water. So that mean is not depending who is a bigger, who is a older, who is a yeah. So that is a not mean. That mean is how much God giving you hard for the good things. So I believe, thank you very much. Thank you for you are giving your golden time from your busy schedule, very busy schedule to me. I'm glad to meet you, and I hope,
meeting you.
yeah, I hope whenever you will be come to the Pakistan. So if you need my number, I can share with you. It doesn't matter. Anytime you come with your sister. In Pakistan, from my side, everything is free. House, food, car, visiting, each and everything. You are same like my family. You are same like my father and mother.
You are wonderful.
Okay.
Thank you very
So
much.
thank you very
in
much.
In Italian, they will say "come accettato."
Ah, come accettato.
Okay, come accettato.
Come accettato,
Yeah.
mille, grazie mille, ciao ciao.
Grazie.
Mi italiano poco poco. Non tutto bene,
Sì.
molto tutto bene, poco poco di italiano.
Sì, bravissimo.
Italiano. E me 6 mesi in Italia.
Ma bravissimo.
Ah, bravissima. Grazie mille.
Bravissima, arrivederci.
Grazie, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.
Ciao.
My website, my page, Facebook, YouTube, MIC. You can search, you can send me. MIC. Okay? I can give you picture after this video.
Okay,
Okay,
bye-bye.
bye bye. Ciao ciao. अच्छा जी, बहुत अच्छा लग्या पाकिस्तान के बारे च उन्होंने किया बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें उन्होंने पाकिस्तान के बारे में बोली कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं और रियली कि मैं प्राउड करता हूँ बीइंग अ पाकिस्तानी। आई लव पाकिस्तान ऑलवेज। ये देखो जी मछलियाँ, ये देखो ये नज़र आई कितनी ज़्यादा हैं, छोटी छोटी जेली फिश भी होगी इधर ना, जेली फिश हैं, मछलियाँ बड़ी छोटी बहुत मछलियाँ। इधर आप मछली नहीं पकड़ सकते, सही है, किसी को भी अलाउ नहीं है। अगर वो शौक़ के लिए करना है उसको एक सर्टिफिकेट लेना पड़ेगा, उस सर्टिफिकेट के ज़रिए मछली पकड़ेगा, फिर उसको वापसी भी वो करना है, सही है। तो बस अल्लाह का शुक्र है, अल्लाह पाक ने जो नेमत दी है, जो किया, ये बस लोगों की मदद करो, लोगों के साथ करो, बस अल्लाह से मांगो, अल्लाह से पैसा ना मांगो, अल्लाह से सिर्फ अल्लाह की रज़ा मांगो मेरे भाई। अल्लाह पाक आसानियाँ करे सबके। इधर जेली फ़िश थी बहुत बड़ी ना, अभी तो खैर नज़र नहीं आ रही, इधर फिरती रहती हैं जेली फ़िश है। मैं आगे जाके देखता हूँ, जो है मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। चुक 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 चुक, अल्लाह हस्बुनल्लाह व निअमल। जेली फ़िश, ये रही जेली फ़िश, ये जेली फ़िश, वेयर इज़ दैट? वो बड़ी मछली भी है, बहुत है मछलियाँ तो इधर बेबहा हैं, सही है। तो एक राउंड चिक 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 वो उसका लेके आता हूँ। अच्छा जी, अच्छा जी। चलो अभी इधर मछलियाँ छोटी छोटी होंगी, अगर हुई भी। वो रही जेली फ़िश, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी जेली फ़िश है, पकड़ नहीं सकते आप मछलियाँ। ये देखो बाकी वो बहुत अच्छा उनसे लगा जब उन्होंने बोला कि आइलैंड से हैं हम, पाकिस्तान को बहुत प्यार करते हैं, सब चीज़ें बहुत अच्छा लगा। अब यकीन करें कि दिल जो है ना सीना फ़ख्र से खुल जाता है बंदे का ना। बस अल्लाह पाक आसानियाँ करे, अल्लाह पाक करम करे। सही है। तो बाकी कोई मेरे लायक को खिदमत हो, किसी ने भी कोई काम करना हो, कोई चीज़ करनी हो, आप मुझे मैसेज करें, जो भी है इंशाल्लाह मैं आपके मैसेज का जवाब भी दूँगा। सब चीज़ें मैं आपको नंबर भी दूँगा अपना, उस नंबर पे आप कॉल भी कर सकते हैं। सारी चीज़ें जिसने जो भी कुछ पूछना है, कोई चीज़ पूछनी है, वो सारा कुछ कर सकता है ना। मेरे को कोई एतराज़ नहीं किसी भी बात का ना। तो अल्लाह खैर के टाइम दूँगा, और बहुत ज़्यादा मैं टाइम देता हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे सामने बंदे की वैल्यू ज़्यादा है बनिस्बतन अपने टाइम के अकॉर्डिंगली। और अल्लाह का बड़ा एहसान है, अल्लाह का बड़ा करम है हर लिहाज से ना। अल्लाह पाक बस आसानियाँ बढ़ाता जाए, आसानियाँ पैदा करता जाए। सही है। तो बस ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।